Way back in the 70s lived a doll, and she lived in a circus. How she enjoyed watching the dancers dance and perform for the audience. But she had to remain frozen until the night came, and that's what she danced. She danced and imagined the audience was applauding for her. Oh, how she loved to dance. This was my video for the Neeks Face Awards Top 20 with the theme Vintage Doll. I'm gonna start off by using Lip Loving Balm to moisturize my lips. I wore contact lenses to maximize my eyes. Then I'm taking Total Control Foundation, a little bit of liquid highlighter, and a beauty sponge, and I'm gonna apply it all over the face. And I'm also paling out my skin tone. Then I'm taking Pro Foundation Mixer, and I'm using it as a concealer to give light underneath the eyes and on the cheekbones. And then I'm taking a dark Pro Foundation Mixer to contour the cheekbones and the nose bridge to make it look taller and smaller. Then I'm taking Vivid Bright in Bad Blood, and I'm gonna use it as a blush on the apples of the cheeks. Then highlighting my nose bridge and my cheeks with a highlighter and the Cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm gonna set under the eyes using HD powder, filling the eyebrows, brushing out any excess product, and I'm gonna make them a little bit messy, and I've already put some hairspray on the brush just to keep the hairs in place. Taking the highlight and contour palette, I'm gonna go over the cheekbones again for extra depth and dimension, and also on the nose bridge. Then I'm taking this satiny pink palette and applying it all over the lid, taking it the matte one from the same palette and applying it on the brow bone. Then taking the same brown that I contour the cheekbones and adding it and the crease of the eye. Taking a little bit of black just to enhance the outer corner. Taking Fox White in the color Vanilla to make my eyes look bigger, I'm adding it into the waterline for those big dolly eyes. Adding it also to the lower lash line and setting it with powder just to keep it in place. Going under the white with a little bit of brown and black to give the illusion that that is our new lower lash line. Adding a little bit of more sparkle on the moving lid and enhancing the crease using black and a stiff small brush. Taking my Epic eyeliner, I'm just gonna add eyeliner on the top of the eye and on the lower lash line, just underneath the white. Taking my Doll Eyes mascara, applying it on the top lashes. Removing the lip balm from my lips, paling it out with foundation so I can create a new shape. I'm taking a matte suede lip liner and creating my new shape, enhancing the Cupid's bow to make it all nice and cute, and making the lower lip smaller, filling it in Then I'm taking milk pencil and I'm gonna draw my lines where I'm gonna create like a circus tent. And then I'm taking a black pencil, I'm drawing the joints of the doll. Starting to fill in the shapes on my neck, and I'm going one by one. I'm going with the white first, and then the red. I'm taking my Pro Contour palette and a smudger brush. I'm gonna blend out the black to give dimension to the doll joints, and also adding some brown to give it extra dimension and to make them look more realistic. And then I'm adding a little bit of white just to give an extra highlight. Set them with SFX set powder so don't move. And I'm gonna repeat it also on the hands, fingers, and elbows. Adding some wicked lashes. And I'm also going to add some lower lashes as well. A little bit of gloss now that I'm finished. And I'm doing the fingers now since I finished the whole look, so I didn't mess it up before. Adding my wig, and this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.